Hello guys, today we're going to learn that how to do affiliate marketing with your personal Facebook profile. So let's get started. So let me tell you first that this method actually is very effective if you know, if you implement and if you learn the things that I'm going to teach you right now in this video. It's really effective. The first thing is that there are a lot of entrepreneurs out here, like there are a lot of affiliate marketers, there are a lot of what freelancer that using this method to generate what thousands of dollar per month, like so the Facebook profile, what, if you're doing organic marketing with your Facebook profile, this is very effective. So if you use the thing that I'm going to tell you right now, it's really effective if you know how to implement the thing. So let's get started, right? So the first thing you have to understand that when you're starting with the Facebook profile, you have to look professional in your Facebook profile, right? So the first thing that you have to understand is here is that your Facebook profile should be very optimized. So what I mean optimize means it's look too professional, okay? So let me see what are the components of in a Facebook profile to make it what, like, I can say optimize, I mean say professional. So the first thing that you have to keep in mind that your Facebook cover picture, your cover picture is your identity card. So when someone is coming into your Facebook profile, they will see that, right, what kind of things that you are selling in the market, or what kind of how you are helping people. So here you can see it's my profile. So here you will be, you can see here this is my profile, and I have written this the part that I have written here, this is called mission statement or offer statement, right? How I am helping the people. So I help affiliate marketers to make their first $1,000 without call messaging or paid ads using my OSC framework. So that's my actually mission statement, that I'm helping people. And here I'm put a fake call to action button. This is a fake call to action button, but when someone click here, they will go here, right there. So I told them, like, claim your free resources, and when someone will click here, they will go to my this page that is called my landing page, okay? So when someone will get, like, click there, so they will like see that this is the lead magnet I've put in my lead magnet. I know you know what is the meaning of lead magnet. So lead magnet is something that we offer someone for free so that we can get their lead. I mean, yeah, either their email address, their address, like physical address, or any kind of their phone number. So basically I'm collecting their email address so that I can send them regular email address. So that's the where I'm collecting the email address through that, okay? So that's the way you have to do, that will be your core goal to get the lead, right? So that is the way effective you can collect the lead of from people with your personal Facebook profile, okay? And it's very easy to get the lead, right? Not I'm saying very easy, but it's like you can send people friend request, you can engage with people so that you'll be able to get leads, right? So the first component is your cover picture. So you have to have an optimized cover picture. You can make it from either from canva.com, or you can make with the help of professional, like you can take professional help, like you can hire a freelancer, or you can tell them to make a cover picture for you. And whenever you're making your cover picture, you have to remember that whom you are helping. So the first thing that I help affiliate marketers, here you can say, like, I help freelancer, okay? Whoever you want to serve, like whom you think better serve. I have bloggers, I help anyone. And how we can help them, like I told them I will be helping them to make their first $1,000. So why you how you can help them, you can say that I'll be helping them like make their first $500 or $100 without call messaging or without like the pain points. You can tell, like, most of the people do like paid ads, go for paid ads. So you can tell them, like, without what, cold outreach, using any kind of, like, using Facebook organic, or using, you can say, like, Facebook group method. So there are so many methods that you can use here. So whatever the method you choose, this is my OIC framework. OIC framework means I use certain kind of framework that I have named that framework as OIC framework. So you can also like follow some kind of framework or some kind of method, or you can name it as some kind of framework, right? So that is your way of naming the things, okay? And second thing here is your profile picture. Your profile picture actually symbolizes that it should not be like professional, but if you look at professional, then it will be better, right? So if you're professional, if your profile picture is looks like if your profile picture looks good, if it is an original picture, then people will understand that no, this person is real, so they'll trust you, right? So don't use like images like enemy character or emojis. Okay, always use your own picture, that would be very good. And the third thing here is the intersection. Always use the intersection also for collecting the leads, right? So I have used here, you can see, join my community to get all the free and important resources, right? So here you have to tell people like what are the things that what action they need to take after coming to your profile. So here your cover picture also should tell people like what action they need to take after coming to your profile. And here also intersection as well. So always redirect people to one place. Okay. Like here I have put my main objective is to get the lead, I mean collect the email address. So here someone is clicking that join my, so I'm putting them into my Facebook group, or you can see my here is my Facebook group, right? So it's loading a little bit, it will take time. So you can see here it's my Facebook group. Okay. So like my Facebook group, how many members? I have 123 members, and I have collected their email address as well. So that is the way. So when you were create, like you have to create a Facebook group as well, so that you can like make people converge in a one place, right? So that you can put people take people in your system, right? So that is the way, and so that you can nurture them to your Facebook group by publishing content every day. And here you have to set the membership question. Okay. uh, you can see here the membership question as well. So this is the membership question that you have to set. You have to, first of all, you have to tell people like you have to welcome them to your Facebook group, and you have to ask like what are the problem they are facing, this kind of thing. And like, and then finally you have to, what is your best email address, so that I can send the PDF file that I have created, right? So that this is the way I'm collecting email address. And how I'm collecting email address, using a tool. Okay. So this is a tool that I am using, that is called group convert. Okay. I'm using that group convert tool, which actually collect which takes the all the data from when someone try to join in my. Always make the remember that your Facebook group should be private, so that you can put the membership questions. And after putting the membership question, these will, when you are accepting this, right, you have to open your laptop or desktop, and you open your Facebook and then Facebook group. After opening the Facebook group, you will open your group convert. The group convert, you have to connect with your Facebook group. And after connecting with your Facebook group, what you'll do, like when you're trying to accept people from your laptop or desktop, like, so group convert will take the data, right, whatever the data in this membership question, and it will push the data into your uh, Excel sheet. Yeah, there is Excel sheet that will provided by group convert. So I don't want to make you more confused, right? The system, let me explain you what are the things will be the next, right? So let us go to the Facebook profile again. So here I have shown you, right, like you have to optimize your intro as well as intro, right? And if you can put here link as well, you can put link as well. And that's the fourth thing here is that you have to optimize your collection, I mean future photo as well, right? This is the collection, so that people can see, right, when people are coming from your smartphone or what desktop, they can see the like what are the things that you put. So I have put here some collection as well as earnings, testimonial, you can put the testimonial as well. You can push the testimonial, so that you actually build your authority, right? So that's you have to remember in your mind that you have to put a sort of thing. And here you can see the, and now let me talk about the content part, right? So when you are creating content, right, you have to remember that I have created a content that is this kind of post is called validifying post, right? I am so there are so many kind of like there are different types of post that you can publish in your feed, so that you can get the, your main purpose should nurture your people, right? People, you should educate them. So here I'm posting a, like I told that I working on a training video for quality lead generation on Facebook with proper system and automation. Who wants it, drop me. So this is kind of post is called validifying validity post. Like if someone is interested, then they will be dropping their name. So you can see here I got 30 comments. Okay. So now there is a recent post that I made, that is yesterday, that I promised that I won't make any sales and I won't see me. So that kind of post is like, what, creating a kind of hook in my profile. So whenever, remember that whenever creating a post, your post should have a hook story offer, right? So hook story offer means, kind of hook means, so that people scrolling over the feed, it grab their attention. So your content should have this three component hook story offer. Okay, so when I'm creating story means what, you have to tell your story, right? So I said that like today I was scrolling through my friend list to remove people who are not engaging with my content. So that kind of post you have to make through your Facebook profile. And finally, I didn't put any offer here right now, but your content should always have a hook story offer means what, any kind of call to action you can put there. Okay, so that is the way. And here also you can put like motivational content as well in your Facebook profile, so that you can get more engagement, right? More reach to your so Facebook algorithm works on like engagement. Okay, so you have to reach to, and you also can go live, like I go live there on my Facebook profile, you can see here, right? I go live on my Facebook profile as well. So that is the whole way to, create content. So like that's the whole way. So I'm telling you like there are three kind of content, several like long form content, you can create short form content as well, verifying content. Hype post means what? Hype post is kind of like you are creating a hype in the market, like you've created a PDF file. Now you have like telling people that I have created a PDF file, who wants it. So this is kind of called hype post, right? So or you have generated around like $1,000 you are telling. So what I'm telling you is this method is as thin as easy, right? But it's not that much easy. You have to be very determined, and you have to be very, very like, what are the peoples, you have to understand your people. First of all, you have to understand very carefully what your people wants. Okay, so let me show you some other strategies that you can, how you can get actually the leads from Facebook, right? So this is the way you can optimize your Facebook profile. And when you start publishing content, and one of the important thing, you have to add friend as well. So how you will find your right people who are actually interested in uh, what, those affiliate marketing. Suppose you are targeting affiliate marketers, then how you can find those people who are interested in affiliate marketing? So you have to go like find the relevant groups. Okay, you can go here. I'll be telling you some strategy. Okay, so just there is, I've searched, there is one group that is called 3-day first Track challenge group. Okay, so I click here. Now the group, you can see this is the group I have joined. So I'll open that group. Okay, visit group. Now you can see here there are 5,000 members are in the group. And what I will do here is that I will engage with the people who are in the group, right? So I will just like this post. So I'll just like this the post. So you have to engage in the group, right? So then people can see your presence in the group. Okay, so that is the way, right? You have to engage here as well. Okay, you have to engage each and every post inside the group. Look here, he is today I have received the precious gift from Randy Maher, my $50 $50,000 award from Listline program. So Listline is an affiliate program. So this is the group of a Listline. Okay, Listline, the 3-day first Track challenge is the program. The creator of this program is Randy Maher. So this program, whoever it will doing, right, he has generated this amount of you can see here. Let me show you. Yeah, so you can see here, right? He have generated like that amount, $50,000 with help Listlan, and that is totally organic marketing. There is no other thing, right? There is no other, what, he has not used any kind of other kind of thing. So this is Facebook organic. So you can see the power of Facebook organic. You can if you go any other method, right? It is very struggling, what. But Facebook organic is literally very effective if you do your put your 100% effort, right? But I'm not telling that it could be done without investment. You have to do investment. Suppose if you want to promote this product, right? This is a product. Listline is a affiliate marketing program. So if you want to promote that product, you have to first learn about that program, right? You have to invest in this product. So if you are like, if you start your affiliate marketing journey with this program, then if you have to right, you have to learn that about this program, right? What are the things in this program, what I have to do before starting with what are things I need to learn before starting this kind of program. This is a high ticket program. High ticket means the price will be around like $997. So if and like, what, when you are investing this kind of product, you will get so much value, and you learn like all the Facebook organic strategies. so that you'll be able to get more result with this, what, whenever you will be promoting this kind of product. So here also you can see like people are posting content, and you also have to engage with people, right? You have to love people, you have to comment people, right? Congratulations, or congratulation. You have to congratulate people. If you're someone asking, got my 500 subscriber today, this is amazing. So you can write congratulations, you can say congrats. Okay, I'll be showing here congratulations. So congratulations. Okay, just congratulations. Done. You have to be not just so if someone asking any question in a group. Okay, this guy made around like, what, $747 commission he made. Okay, and so when someone is asking question, okay, in the group, you have to, what, uh, engage with them as well. You have to tell them, you have to welcome them. Content is king, engagement is going. So that kind of post people are making in the group. So when people are making post in the group, you have to also tell them, like, you have to find a question as well. Like if in group you can find question, how you can find the question here, you will go search here, and you will be find some kind of question, right? Like, what is affiliate marketing? If you search what is affiliate marketing. Okay, so when you are searching this inside the group, then you can see here, right? Okay, this is the outside of the group, right? So okay, so this is the actually the way to do affiliate marketing with your Facebook profile. You have to different go to Facebook groups, and whoever you are engaged, right? Whoever they are engaged with your, like, you can send them friend request, right? You just click here and go there. Like, I'll be adding this person in my Facebook friend list, this person as well as my friend list. Now this person I'll be adding in my friend list, this person, whoever has liked this, right? Because they're interested in affiliate marketing, that's why they're inside the group. So I'm just adding them in my friend list. Okay, so when they will also see my profile, right? So you can do it there. Also you can post here your content as well as your, you can comment, so that you can get, people will start noticing when you'll get auto like leads in your profile, right? People will start visiting your profile as well. So this is the one way to do, things. So I have shown you, right, how to do the things. Now next thing is that there are so many groups you can see here, right? I have put so many group, I have joined so many group here. So what you can do, the next way to, like, the other way to find groups is that by going to different person, uh this person I'm going here. Okay, his name is Pranshu Gupta. So I'm going his profile, and now I'll click here, and you'll see that this is his group. So a lot of people, so how we can find this group here, like clicking on their profile cover, and then clicking on the there, then you will see that I am below redirected to his Facebook group. Okay, you can see here Facebook group. So here also you can find a potential client, right? You can join these kind of groups. After joining these groups, you know what, you will also send those people who have liked this post. You can send them what requests, like you can send them whoever are there, whoever liked this post, you can send them to join, like, in your friend list, add. Okay, just you add them. Okay, after adding them, also you do like this post. You can comment as well, like hashtag live or hashtag replay. So you can do a lot of stuff, right? I'll put here hashtag replay, because I'm watching the video replay. It was live, but now it's not live. So that is the way you have to do affiliate marketing with your Facebook profile. So if you want me to do a lot more stuff, right? If you want me to do step by step, and then I'll be definitely creating another video on that. But this is the simple way I've shown you, right? You have to follow if you want to do affiliate marketing with your Facebook profile. That is the one way you can do, right? So that is the one way I've shown you, right? If you want to do effective way affiliate marketing with the Facebook group, you have to create content, you have to invest in yourself, you do tons of stuff, right? This method does not start with like without investment. You have to make investment to on courses, different courses, and like mentorship as well, to learn the things. So there are tons of stuff you need to do. Okay, so I hope you have like got some value in this video. Okay, if you got some value in this video, drop some valuable comment as well. I will be showing you some other method as well. I'll be coming up like some other video next time, so that you can understand the process very well. So thank you so much for watching the video. Bye bye for today.